A quick announcement. We are hosting live storytelling sessions both in person and online. To sign up for our upcoming sessions, go to booksthatspeak.com/events. Welcome to Books That Speak. Today is Saturday. As we had introduced earlier, on some of the Saturdays, we will know more about either author or illustrator or about any interesting book. Let's start about today. Who makes the story interesting? Author who writes the story, or drawing artist that is called as an illustrator who draws beautiful interesting pictures for us in the story? I guess both of them make the story interesting. Illustrator plays a very important role in small children's books, in comics, in word-less books. So today we are going to know more about a very talented, versatile artist, Rajiv Ipe. So he is Rajiv Ipe, illustrator, writer. Now you will ask me, have we seen Rajiv Ipe's illustrations in the stories? Yes, definitely. As you can see along the pictures over here, we have enjoyed and we are amazed to see his drawings. So, what is so different about his drawings? Rajiv Ipe's art varies in different styles and media. Animation, picture books, children's books, and comics, in combination with crayons, pencils, ink, charcoal, paints, and digital media. He has also written some of his more recent picture books. As we can see here, his one of the most famous story or book is Dive. Dive, which was released in 2016. Dive into the world of parrotfish, batfish, trumpetfish, and many more underwater creatures with this book. Rajiv takes the reader on a spectacular scuba diving journey exploring these strange and wonderful creatures underwater. Books That Speak has recorded the Hindi version of this story, Dive, Gehre Sagar Ke Andar. Another story, Ammachi's Amazing Machines. The lush open world of Ammachi's Amazing Machines, which was again released in 2016. Again, this story was written and illustrated by Rajiv Ipe, same as the story Dive. Suraj and Ammachi spend the day making some delicious coconut barfi. Ammachi is unlike any other granny. She has machines around her house and even goes up a coconut tree. Rajiv Ipe has crafted this story filled with adventure and humor. Don't miss to count Ammachi's machines, okay? The next one, my personal favorite, Anand. Meet Anand. He likes driving around and meeting new people. He likes music, dancing, and animals. He likes looking good and he likes making your neighborhood look good. So, who is Anand? Anand is a garbage collector. He is awesome. And again, this small story is written and illustrated by Rajiv Ipe. There is another story, Pishy and Me, which was released in 2018. Chutku loves going on walks with Pishy. While they walk around, Chutku collects small things to add to his collection. Rajiv Ipe's illustrations from Chutku's viewpoint are amazing. This story has been written by Timira Gupta and illustrated by Rajiv Ipe. While doing illustration for this story, Rajiv took many walks around his neighborhood for inspiration and ideas and to note down the minute details so that he can make this story beautiful for us. You can enjoy this story on the Books That Speak. Another one, Puchku Seeks a Song. It was released in 2019. Puchku is off on a new adventure. The Brilliant Plans Department by Boltu Puchku and Dodla, BPD, is on a mission to find a song for a baby bird. But there are too many songs to choose from. Again, this cute story has been written by Deepanjana Pal and illustrated by Rajiv Aip. Just have a look at the beautiful and very expressive faces of the children who are looking for a perfect matching song for that baby bird. Again, this story you will find on Books That Speak. And there are again few stories which have been illustrated by Rajiv Aip, a book for Puchku, Singing in the Rain, and so on. Rajiv Aip was born in Trivandrum, Kerala in 1983 and grew up in Chennai and Mumbai, where he did his schooling. He then studied painting at JJ School of Art, Mumbai, and studied animation and film design at the National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. Do you know, children, what Rajiv Aip thinks? He thinks imagination and observation are important in making a nice, rich illustration. Let's celebrate small, everyday things so that you can draw beautifully. And there is another message from Rajiv to aspiring young illustrators. Do you want to know what he says? Draw lots, work hard, be inspired by things around you. Don't do half-hearted work. So, was it nice meeting or was it nice knowing about Rajiv Aip, who is an amazing illustrator and also an author? We hope you all enjoyed meeting today Rajiv Aip. And for more such stories and get to know more about different personalities, visit our website www.booksthatspeak.com. Our channel name is Books That Speak. Thank you. See you in the next story. Bye bye.